In
the future, we will need more and more green buildings. These need to be well maintained to ensure a green environment for the future.
My name is
Gert Janssen. I work at Ginkel Groep Veenendaal as a landscape gardener, and I lead the teams which maintain green buildings. The Aries University building in Almere is maintained 4 times a year using a cherry picker. Additionally, we do monthly inspections. The facade that we maintain is planted with 12,000 plants of various species. We use many different tools for pruning the green building, including hedge trimmers, brush cutters and secateurs, for cutting the interior planting. We've been using battery-powered devices for a few years now, as it is mandatory when working at the university. This has the advantage of being much quieter, and it is also much healthier for our employees. We use STIHL battery tools. They have proved their worth, and we can do our work with the batteries without any problems. We always have 3 fully charged batteries with us. We can work all day with them. The most important thing for us regarding the tools is being lightweight, so we can work comfortably.
My name is Mark de Jager. I'm a project manager at the Ginkel Groep. We greened this building. Because cities are becoming ever more densely populated and it is getting warmer and warmer due to climate change, green buildings are becoming increasingly important for a livable city. Biodiversity is key, and we want to get more insects and other animals back into the city. That is the basis of life. It is also very important to cool the city because it is getting hotter and hotter. The plants provide shade and cool the building. Green buildings are also very good for human health. They promote our concentration as well as our mental well-being, just by looking at the greenery. Green buildings also save energy because they provide cooling around the building, and the sun is already blocked in front of the facade. Water management is also very important for green buildings. We collect rainwater on the roof. The water flows into an underground water tank and is released to the plants through the technical room. This is the first building on which solar panels are being combined with a roof garden in this way. It was exciting because we had to be careful to use the right plants there. It worked well, and we are very happy with the result. Are green buildings the future? No, I would actually like to say that they are the present. Green buildings are very important, and we are working every day to green more and more buildings in our cities to make them even more livable. We hope that the green buildings we are working on will continue to be very successful, and that we can really start building green cities together.